Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Webull app for commission-free trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Webull app for commission-free trading, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In the search bar, type Webull. Press the search icon to find the app and the results. Look for the Webull app, which features a logo with a white bull on a green background. Tap on the app to open its download page. Check the app details to confirm that it offers commission-free trading. Once you're ready, click the download button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, locate the Webull icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to launch the app. Once the app opens, you will see an option to create an account. Select the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a secure password. After setting up your account, follow any further instructions to verify your identity. This may include providing personal information and uploading identification documents. Once your account is verified, you can log in to access the trading platform. Explore the app's features and familiarize yourself with the trading tools available. Finally, make sure to enable notifications for real-time updates on your trades. Now you are ready to start your commission-free trading journey with Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.